In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove an app on your Roku device. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control here and then go over to the app that you do want to uninstall and get rid of. So for example, right here on the history channel, I'm going to go ahead and remove this one here. Okay, on your remote control here, you'll find that there is a star icon. Mine is placed right here. Hopefully yours is in that same vicinity. Some remotes are a little bit different on the Roku devices, but it's the asterisk or the star icon. So what you're going to do is get on that app, press that button. It'll load it just like this. And then if you go up to remove channel and then click enter, it'll just want to confirm it. Click on remove again, and now it's gone. And that's how you remove an app on your Roku device. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.